right now in this macro uptrend. It's we're being led up by the Nasdaq, and I'm gonna tell you how I'm trading it right now. It's pretty much, you have to buy these dips and then kind of lighten up into the pops like we saw today. So I'm trying to get it up on the chart. It's like, you don't want to be too heavy into, or you want to let some of the load go in the up moves, like we're seeing up here into these up moves. I sold a lot of stock today. I still have some if we want to move higher from here, but I'm ready for the pull in to add some stock to the long side. So that's what I've been really doing, just buying dips, selling to the pops, and kind of riding this uptrend. It's been working out pretty well. What about you? What are you thinking?
I think the main thing that we've been talking about for a while, like in the SPY, we know this 270 has been major support. It's held, this last 3 times, the last time, extremely strong. And we're just in this range. It's 270 to 300 has been the range that we've been trading in. And the longer we can stay in here, eventually we'll have that move up through 300. Now, on the downside, if we do get back on 270 again, the more times we continue to get down to support, the more likely it is that it's going to break. Now, if it does break, it's not the world's going to end. It's just that if it does break, we should expect a move to 260, 250, and then to start a new pattern for the next leg up. But we've been seeing a lot of great action to start off this week, you with that AMED.
Heyo.